Nowadays, numerous geographically concentrated sets of logistics-related business activities or logistics clusters have been established around the world, positively affecting the general quality of transportation and delivery services to large populations. Some of the most widely known types of these logistics-intensive clusters include inland clearance depots, intermodal freight centers, logistics centers, dry ports, inland and intermodal terminals, and distribution centers, amongst others. In contrast to the generally perception for logistics hubs as facilitators of intermodal operations or local distributors, this two-day event was eventually designed to investigate another conceptualization of logistics hubs as regional generators of business and economic development, following studies on the role of various industrial clusters as job generators and drivers of economic growth. This symposium will therefore focus on the concept of logistics hubs, looking at differential international models in order to examine the importance of these clusters as economic drivers of their regions. It will also explore needed skill sets certified to world-class standards and further determine what constitutes as the most appropriate and contextual model for the Jamaican logistics hub. This is precisely why we have brought in representatives from across the world to provide their own practical empirical data. It is expected that this differential approach to logistics hubs will increase its attractiveness as a potential strategic tool by policymakers. As a result, the general purpose of this symposium is on the one hand to prove the regional economic impact of logistics hubs, and on the other hand to persuade our local private sector leaders, MSMEs, and entrepreneurs to consider, to get excited about, and ready themselves to take full advantage of the varied and numerous opportunities that the Jamaica Logistics Hub will present. Yes, the time is now. Let us face it, the concept of a logistics center cannot be characterized as new due to the fact that it appeared in the 1960s. Additionally, Jamaica has already been engaged in logistics operations with a sophisticated Kingston Logistics Center Limited and private sector companies such as DHL, Tara, and Grace Kennedy, which have been fully attuned to varying aspects of logistics operations. The last 4 decades have been a great variety of freight and logistics processes being introduced, thanks to the borderless markets of Europe and the growth of international trade, especially from Asia. Containerization, nearshoring, outsourcing of transport and logistics activities, improved information technology, and international standardization, global sourcing, increased safety and security measures in supply chains, sustainable transport and shorter product life cycles are only few of the most important changes in trade, logistics, and transport industry that influence significantly the array and the quality of services offered by logistics hubs. During this time, the way that things are produced, packed, stored, and transported have changed, and the demand for differentiated services therefore leads to highly differentiated logistics solutions, such as logistics hubs. In parallel with all of these worldwide economic changes, there are 2 additional explanations for the increased interest about logistics hubs: the fast-growing rate of environmental restrictions and the severe congestion problems inside and outside of cities' transport nodes. As a result, the strong connection between integrated logistics services and the satisfaction of customers of the 21st century lead not only to the initial adoption of logistics hubs concept, but also it justifies the continuing success of these hubs. Jamaica must therefore become a major player in global trading, not only playing the broader role of a logistics hub and promoter of international transportation, but also an additional and similarly important role as initiators of regional economic development. Additionally, the agglomeration of companies with logistics-intensive operations in a given location not only provides these companies with certain competitive advantages, but they also contribute significantly to the economic growth in the region where they are located. Concretely, this forum is focused on the potential influence of logistics centers on regional unemployment rates, gross domestic products, and job creation, investment attractiveness, and trade volumes. Our carefully selected local and international presenters will investigate, discuss, and share practical experiences on what are the possibilities of Jamaica's and by extension the region's economic return from local logistic hub. The two-day session will then explore these through investigation of the following items. What is a logistics center? Features of a logistics center, addressing organizational structures, services, activities, and infrastructure. Frame of reference and choice of models. Determination of regional economic indicators, including regional imports and exports by air, road, rail, inland shipping. Direct and indirect employment. Number of patent applications, regional innovation index. Location quotient index, regional GDP, and GDP per capita, unemployment and unemployment rate, among others. And possibly, most important, what are the available or creatable opportunities for local businesses and investors? Ladies and gentlemen, these 2 days promise to be rewarding. So make sure you complete your breakout session preference forms and fuel up at the coffee breaks between 7 and 10 and 3 and 5. This symposium will assist the efforts towards transforming Jamaica's business landscape as we now know it. So on your mark, let's get set, and go we must. Thank you very, very much.